Let's take a look at some chart action on XRP. All right, so there was a big uptrend going like that. It looks like we're getting resistance right there and resistance right there. In general, I probably do a downtrend something like this. And until we break this trend line going to the upside, I would kind of assume that we're just going to ride that trend line going to the downside. We also have some uptrends going something like this. And we had another one going like this. So, I don't know. There's a couple, I was kind of wondering in my own head, should we drag the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top, or should we do it from this trend line right here? Because we're not breaking this bigger trend line, we're just breaking this first one. So that's what I was kind of thinking. I've actually been using this point right here as opposed to this one right here in the other charts that I've been looking at, like Dogecoin. So I think I'm going to keep on with that, because that's how I usually do it anyways, is from the bottom of the trend to the top of the trend. I think in my Fibonacci video, I kind of messed that up. So yeah, I would say do it from we would get this trend line, and we have that trend line right there. We're going to do from the bottom of that trend line, and then where the trend line gets broken. And then, well, not where it gets broken, but from where the top of the whole trend in general. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking at. And if you look here, I like to watch the 38% level, the 50% level, and 61% level sometimes. The 38% level is sitting at 1.1056. The 50% level is sitting at 1.0285. The 61% level is sitting at 0.9514. And the .914 is right here in this trend line. If this goes sideways, maybe something like that, or maybe even just sideways and it bounces off this 38% level, we're going to have to wait and see. In general, we do have this support right here and right there. We do have still an uptrend going like that, even though we broke this downtrend going like that. Even if we didn't use the Fibonacci's, we could maybe look at this trend line, something like that, for support. Once we hit that, maybe we'll get a bounce or something like that. That's what I would kind of be looking at. But yeah, so I would maybe look at the Fibonacci levels and maybe try to see if you can use them in your chart on TradingView if you haven't been already. And let me know if you agree or disagree, or where we should, if you think we should put it at the top or the bottom. If we should put it down up at the top or put it down here at the bottom. We can drag it at the to the bottom real quick just to kind of see what that looks like as well. And as you can see, that was like the bottom of this. There's like a gradual uptrend. There was like a more gradual uptrend, and then there was like a stronger uptrend. So first I was doing the Fibonacci from these levels. Now it's from the whole thing. And it's going to give us different levels. So it's something to think about. I mean, you could already see something it bounced right here on this level right there. And then right here, there's a little bit of like action. Right here, there was resistance. There was support. Yeah, check it out on your own chart and let me know what you guys think. But I've been using it just on the trend that it breaks pretty much. So I'll probably be just sticking to that. But I recommend trying it both ways and see what you guys figure out. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. So in general, it looks like we're in a triangle pattern until we break to the upside or to the downside. We don't really know. I'm assuming that we're just going to be bouncing in between this, and maybe we'll get some support on this 38% level, or I don't know. Yeah, I bet I'm guessing the 38% level, if that's what I would have to guess on. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys think we're going to break the bottom trend line too, or if we're just going to get some bounces and then break this trend line going to the upside, and then we can kind of target from the top to the bottom of this triangle if it does something like this. And then we can do another video later. All right, if you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up.